Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to edit your live Wix website so you can update your content, refresh your software tutorials, and push changes to your viewers in real time in 2026. Let's get into it. First, access the Wix dashboard and enter the editor. The first step is moving from the public view of your site into the private management area. In 2026, Wix has streamlined the transition between your live site and the editing environment to prevent any lag in your workflow. Log in to your Wix account and select the site you want to modify from your site list. On the main dashboard, click the blue Edit Site button in the top right corner. Wait for the Wix Editor or Wix Studio to load your current live version onto the canvas. This is the entry phase. You cannot edit directly on the live URL that the public sees. By entering the editor, you are working on a draft layer. In 2026, this allows you to make mistakes, test new blue hour images, or rewrite your market analysis without anyone seeing the work in progress until you are ready. Next, locate the element and make your changes. Once the editor is open, you need to find the specific text, image, or button that needs an update. Scroll through your page or use the Pages and Menu tab on the left to navigate to the correct section. Double-click on any text box to change the wording, or click an image and select Change Image to swap it out. If you are updating a link for a new tutorial, click the link icon and paste the new destination URL. In 2026, the editor uses the "what you see is what you get" logic. Any change you make here is instantly reflected on your screen, but crucially, it is not yet live. This gives you the freedom to ensure the candid look of your site remains consistent before the public sees the update. Lastly, save your progress frequently. While Wix has an autosave feature, manually saving your work is the best way to ensure your technical edits are backed up to the cloud. Click the Save button in the top right header of the editor. A pop-up will appear confirming your changes are saved. You can click Done to continue editing. Your edits will not appear on your live URL until you explicitly tell Wix to go live. Click the blue Publish button in the top right corner of the editor. A window will pop up saying, "Congratulations, your site is live and your changes are updated." Click View Site to see the live results. And that's pretty much it. To edit your live Wix site in 2026, enter the Wix editor from your dashboard and double-click the elements you want to change. Save your work frequently to avoid losing progress, and always use the Preview tool to check both desktop and mobile views. Finally, click Publish to push your updates live and ensure your viewers see the latest version of your brand. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.